Hello students, AS level chemistry. Topic is organic chemistry, lecture number 2. In this lecture, we are going to discuss what is an alkyl group, what is a functional group, and what is the list of different homologous series that are in your syllabus that we will discuss in your AS syllabus. So first of all, you must know what is an alkyl group. So to start with, you must remember alkyl group. It is denoted by capital R. Whenever in the organic chemistry you see written somewhere capital R, it stands for alkyl group. And second thing, always remember alkyl group, it is produced from an alkane. How alkyl group it is formed from an alkane? Alkyl group, it is always formed from an alkane by the removal of hydrogen atom. Whenever hydrogen atom is removed from an alkane, it becomes alkyl group. Remember, mostly we remove one hydrogen atom from an alkane to produce alkyl group, but it is possible that an alkane may lose more than one hydrogen atom to become alkyl group. So mostly we study those alkyl group where only one hydrogen atom is removed from an alkane. Now, whenever we remove one hydrogen atom from an alkane, the alkane it becomes alkyl group. The general formula of this alkyl group it is CnH2n plus 1 since one hydrogen has been removed. So when one hydrogen has been removed, that is why always remember alkyl group it is unstable. The valency of a carbon atom it's not satisfied. That is why you can see at the end of this general formula as well as when we will write down the molecular formula for any alkyl group, after the general formula or after the molecular formula or after the structural formula we place a line, we place a hyphen that indicates that this group it can make one more bond. So remember alkyl groups are group of atoms that are unstable. They become stable when they make one bond in place of the hydrogen that they have lost. Now how to get the name and molecular formula of different alkyl group? If you just remember this general formula CnH2n plus 1, you can easily find the molecular formula of different alkyl group. The simplest one, if an alkyl group is having one carbon, what will be its molecular formula? If there is one carbon, there will be three hydrogens. So this is one carbon alkyl group. Since it has one carbon, it will be known as meth. And as it is a member of alkyl group, it is known as methyl. Meth for one carbon, yl since it belongs to alkyl group. So this is methyl. If you are asked to write down the molecular formula for an alkyl group having two carbon, then it will be C2H5. You can also write it down CH3CH2, and you must place a line at its end indicating that this alkyl group it is unstable, it can make one more bond. Now how to name this alkyl group? Since there are two carbon atoms, so it will be named as eth, and as it is a member of alkyl group, the name will end at -yl, ethyl. So now you have become able to find the molecular formula and to name an alkyl group. Remember, after ethyl, what will come? Propyl, butyl, pentyl, likewise. So remember, the first few members of alkyl group are methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl. You can also guess the molecular formula for propyl having three carbon. What it will be? Yes, the molecular formula for propyl will be C3H7. You can write it down CH3, CH2, CH2, but don't forget to place one line at the end of this alkyl group indicating that this can make one more bond. Now what is the name of this alkyl group? This is propyl. Now this is a very simple group that you must remember, alkyl group, but it is important. Why it is important? because alkyl group, it is responsible for converting an alkane into another organic family. So you must remember, whenever another atom or group of atom, it makes one bond with alkyl group, the alkyl group becomes a new homologous series. What that atom or group of atom, it is known as, that makes a bond with the alkyl group, that atom or group of atom, it is known as functional group. So how you can define in the organic chemistry what is the functional group? It is an atom or group of atom that gives special features to an organic compound. An atom or group of atom that gives special properties to a homologous series, it is known as functional group. Now, two important functional group you can remember here. One is hydroxyl, OH. It is known as hydroxyl. It is the functional group of alkanol, alcohol. Whenever alkyl group makes bond with OH, the hydrogen of alkane, it is displaced, it is replaced by OH. It becomes alkane, it becomes alkanol or alcohol. Likewise, one more example of the functional group you can remember, you are familiar with from your previous class, carboxyl. This functional group, it is known as carboxyl. Whenever this carboxyl makes bond with alkyl group, the alkyl group, it becomes which organic family or homologous series? It becomes carboxylic acid, or it is also known as alkanoic acid. So these are the examples of two functional group you can remember. And remember, these functional group, they take the place of removed hydrogen from an alkane. Now, based on this information of alkyl group and functional group, I am going to present the list of different homologous series, different organic families that are in your AS syllabus. We will study these 5 homologous series in detail in your AS syllabus. Now, in this list, what you must remember: the name of the homologous series, its general formula, and the functional group. Now, as I have told you, how a homologous series, it is produced from an alkane. The homologous series, it is produced from an alkane by the removal of hydrogen atom, and the removed hydrogen atom is replaced by another functional group. Okay, what is the simplest homologous series or organic family that is in your AS syllabus? The simplest homologous series, we always start with the organic chemistry. It is alkane. What is the general formula of alkane? You people are very well aware of its general formula. It is CnH2n plus 2. As such, there is no functional group for alkanes, but what you can remember one thing: alkanes are hydrocarbon. It means alkanes are made up of two elements only, two different elements, carbon and hydrogen. This is one information you must remember: alkanes are hydrocarbon. Second thing you must remember, in alkane, all the carbon, they have only single covalent bond. So each carbon, it has 4 single covalent bond in alkane. This is what you can remember as a functional group of an alkane. Next to alkane, another simple organic family, it is alkenes. Again, like alkanes, alkenes are also hydrocarbon. You can see from the general formula, it is CnH2n. So alkenes are also made up of carbon and hydrogen. They are also known as hydrocarbon. Now, what is the feature that is different compared to alkanes? Alkenes, they must always have at least one double covalent bond. Although in your A level syllabus we may come across such alkenes having more than one double covalent bond. But what is must? It is must that an alkene is an alkene if it is having at least one double covalent bond. So remember, Alkanes and alkenes both are hydrocarbons, but one feature that is different: alkanes, they have single covalent bond. Alkenes, they have at least one double covalent bond. Alkanes, they are known as saturated hydrocarbons, saturated organic compound. Alkenes, they are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated organic compound, because alkenes, they must have at least one double covalent bond. Now, next organic family, homologous series, that is in your syllabus, it is halogenoalkanes. Now, as the name indicates, this is an organic family where a halogen atom, it is the functional group. Now, just remember the name. By remembering the name, the general formula and the functional group, you can recall quite easily. How is that? Remember, every homologous series other than alkane and alkenes, they are derived from alkyl group. So what is the general formula of alkyl group? Just remember the general formula of alkyl group, and where there is one less hydrogen atom, that hydrogen atom must be replaced by the functional group of the new organic family. Look at this organic family we are studying, halogenoalkane. So what will be the general formula? CnH2n plus 1, and halogen atom must be bonded. What could be this halogen atom? This could be any halogen: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So whenever this halogen is bonded to an alkyl group, that organic family would become halogenoalkane. It is simply also known as haloalkanes. Next come alkanol. I have already told you the functional group of alkanol or alcohol. The functional group of alkanol or alcohol family, it is OH. So what will be its general formula? CnH2n plus 1 OH. So the functional group of alcohol or alkanol family is hydroxyl. And the last homologous series are organic family, that is in your syllabus. We will discuss in detail. It is carboxylic acid, also known as alkanoic acid. Carboxylic acid or alkanoic acid. What is the functional group of carboxylic acid or alkanoic acid? Its functional group is carboxyl, COOH. So general formula would be CnH2n plus 1 COOH, and carboxyl is the functional group. So this is a list of homologous series that are in your syllabus based on alkyl group and functional group. It is very simple for you people to remember this information, and especially functional groups are important to be remembered because we will keep on studying these functional groups again and again in your subsequent lectures. I hope you would have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you for your time. Bye.